Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to see Wi-Fi password on Android phone in 2025. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now before proceeding, make sure you check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here in this video down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Android phone and tap on the settings icon in order to come in your settings. Now here in your settings, you need to simply tap on Wi-Fi. Over here, you will see the list of all of the available networks if you turn on the Wi-Fi option. So you need to simply tap on the name of the Wi-Fi network that you are already connected to, and this will open the full details of that particular connection. At the bottom of the Wi-Fi details page, you will see a button that says tap to share the password or share with a QR icon. You will also see your QR code icon in the top right hand corner, which you can simply tap on and scan someone's QR code. So you need to simply tap on it and the phone will ask for your lock screen password or your fingerprints. So you need to confirm and a QR code will appear on your screen. This QR code contains your Wi-Fi name and the password. So you need to simply just use the another phone that you are using other than your Android phone. It can be your another Android phone or an iPhone device. So you need to simply open that and open the default camera of that. Then you need to simply scan the QR code which will be shown here on this page. So once it is scanned successfully, you will see the network's name and the password in the text. You can copy or you can use it to connect instantly, and this is the legit and the safe way to view your password without any other tools. Now if you have another phone nearby, you can take a screenshot of the QR code on your phone and then open the Google Photos or the Google application. Then you can just simply tap on this lens icon and select the screenshot. It will extract the password from the QR code automatically, and this works 100% on any of the Android phones that you are using. So remember that this only works for the networks that you have connected to earlier, and this doesn't show the password for any kind of new or locked networks. So this is how you can see the Wi-Fi password on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. Bye.